Hi, my name is James Carter, and I will be speaking with you guys about the new advancements in migraine medication. First, can you remember the worst migraine or headache that you ever experienced in your life? Take a second. Now, tell me, could you bear that feeling for more than half a month, for every month of the year, for all of your adult life? The answer is most likely no. New medical field advancements have now brought us new and effective medicine to help those people who suffer from chronic migraines. This new medicine has the ability to change people's lives. It will do this by simplifying the way they get rid of their migraines, not allowing their migraines to control their life, and allow them to not have any of those side effects that the previous medication brought. New and improved medication that is now out there for helping migraines has not only been helpful in getting people their lives back, but has simplified the way people get rid of their migraines in the first place. People have always struggled in getting rid of their migraines, trying all types of different ways to ease the pain, but this new medication has made it a lot easier. People go through a lot of trouble to ease the pain of migraine. They use a combination of different medications and techniques. Take my girlfriend's mom, for example. She tries all types of different methods like caffeine and heating pads and pain relief pills all put together to try to ease the pain of her migraines. This new medication allows you to take one shot, similar to that of an EpiPen in the leg every month, and it will have better effects than you taking the old combination of medication and techniques. The old combination of techniques and pills will be gone and no longer needed. You will not have to time yourself in between pills, as I see my girlfriend's mom does frequently. She has to wait to take this pill because this pill has this many hours left, and then it's a headache in itself. You can count on your medication to give yourself some sort of relief, if not full relief. There will be a big notice in the amount of money you're now saving from not having to buy countless migraine products and different methods and pills and all that other stuff. You also save different money on the techniques. You won't have to buy sodas that contain caffeine like Coke or a Red Bull consistently for your migraines. You will no longer be spending countless dollars on the amount of pills that don't really work and provide you relief. Simplifying your life with this new medication is just the beginning for the helpful ways this new medication benefits you, and now will allow you to get your life back together and not let migraines control it. People often have these terrible headaches that control their lives, and at the end of the day, it's not really their fault. Often there is no controlling when or how a migraine occurs, but I have seen them put people in so much pain that they don't leave their bed for a day or two. These migraines could cause these people to miss big events, which is heartbreaking. You wouldn't want to miss a loved one's birthday or a special event due to some migraine. The new migraine medication allows you to ease the pain to a point where it is bearable and even get rid of completely. ScienceNews.org has this patient named Haley Gundin. She is from Walsh and she has consistent migraines, at least 15 attacks within a month, which is terrible. And she had a 3-year-old who told her she should stop living her life like this and find some other sort of relief other than the caffeine, the pills, and the other techniques that she used. And she mentioned that she makes plans, but she doesn't know if she'll have to cancel them due to some migraine. And that's heartbreaking because that's no way to live. And to hear a 3-year-old say that is even worse. The new medication will ease the point to a point where it's bearable, or even get rid of your attacks completely. After the medication, Gunding has now been anywhere from 1 to 2 attacks a month, which going from 15 to 1 or 2 is a big jump. Now there will be no missing those special events to the people close to you because of some headache. You are now able to control what for so long in your life controlled you. The new and improved medication that is now out there for helping migraines has not only been helpful in getting the people their lives back, but it's also given people relief without any of those once terrible side effects that came with the migraine medication. Before, when it came to migraine-specific medication, there were known side effects, such as weight gain, fuzzy thinking, and dizziness, and these started to deter people away, or even make people regret taking the medication in the first place. These many side effects weren't the best, and these people really started to take notice. And my question to the people who even did take it, if the side effects is worse than the original problem, Is the really a solution then? My answer is probably no. The newfound problems with the medication became known, and people started to take notice and stray away from the medication and would rather use their original methods of heating pads and all that other stuff, such as taking multiple medications that wasn't migraine specific, like a Advil or a melatonin. Looked into other forms of relief with different medicines such as Advil and Tylenol, and found new ways that weren't just medication to help ease the pain, going back to the heating pads and caffeine and other forms of relief. With all this, we can see how far the new medication has come from the old medication that was migraine specific, along with different ways people have dealt with the migraines throughout their life. The new medication allows people to get their lives back together and get rid of the old ways by simplifying their relief to taking 1 shot a month, and allow people to have a new outlook on the medication for migraines, as previous ones were not happily accepted by the people. This new medicine for migraines has all these benefits that go beyond science and consist of life benefits, like spending time with family or even saving money. This has shown that the ability to change people's lives for the better, which the old medication couldn't dream of doing. Now I ask you, is that worst headache in your life be worth all the trouble I described throughout the speech? Or would you rather solve it with just a simpler way?